How can we effectively channel our intentions to manifest the abundance and success we desire? Welcome, dear seeker of abundance. Today, we're embarking on a journey to align your intentions with the powerful forces of the universe, guiding them to manifest into tangible reality. This ritual is a simple yet potent practice that combines the vibrant energy of a green candle with the ancient magic of cinnamon and basil. Whether you're aiming to attract financial prosperity, new opportunities, or personal growth, this ritual is designed to help you set your intentions and bring them to life. As we begin, remember that the key to manifestation lies in the clarity of your desire and the depth of your belief. With an open heart and a focused mind, let's step into the flow of abundance and set the stage for your dreams to become reality. What you'll need: a green candle, symbolizing abundance, growth, and prosperity, a piece of paper and a pen, a small item that represents your desire, for example, a coin for financial goals, a key for new opportunities, cinnamon or basil for added prosperity energy. The spiritual significance of the color green is the color of life, renewal, and energy. It's deeply connected to nature, symbolizing growth, fertility, and abundance. Spiritually, green is associated with the heart chakra, which governs our ability to give and receive love, compassion, and empathy. When we use a green candle in a manifestation ritual, we're tapping into the vibrant life force that green represents. This color is particularly potent for rituals involving money, wealth, and prosperity, but it's also effective for anything that requires growth, such as a new business venture, a personal project, or even the deepening of relationships. Green encourages balance, stability, and a strong foundation, making it an ideal choice for setting long-term goals. The power of cinnamon and basil cinnamon is one of the most potent herbs in the realm of manifestation. It's associated with fire, which means it adds a powerful, fast-acting energy to any ritual. Cinnamon is known for attracting prosperity, success, and protection. Its warming, spicy nature speeds up the results of your intentions, making it an excellent addition to any ritual focused on manifesting desires. Basil, on the other hand, is known as the herb of wealth and success. It has been used in spiritual practices for centuries to bring good fortune and attract financial prosperity. Basil's calming yet powerful energy also aids in grounding your intentions, ensuring that your desires manifest in a stable and sustainable way. When used together, cinnamon and basil create a potent combination that amplifies the energy of your ritual, attracting abundance and success more effectively. Steps for the manifestation candle ritual. Set your intention. Begin by sitting in a quiet, comfortable space where you can focus without interruptions. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. On a piece of paper, write down your specific desire or goal. Be clear and positive with your wording. For example, you might write, "I am attracting financial abundance into my life," or "I am opening doors to new opportunities in my career." Prepare the candle. If you have cinnamon or basil, sprinkle a small amount onto your hands and rub it gently on the green candle. As you do this, focus on infusing the candle with the energy of your intention. Imagine the herbs enhancing the candle's power, making it a strong magnet for your desires. Once the candle is prepared, light it and take a moment to gaze at the flame. This flame represents the spark of life and the beginning of the manifestation process. As you watch it burn, visualize your desire coming to life, as if it's already happening. Charge the item. Take the small item that represents your desire. This could be a coin if you're focusing on financial goals, a key if you're manifesting new opportunities, or any object that symbolizes your goal. Hold it in your hand and close your eyes. Visualize your desire in as much detail as possible. Imagine the item absorbing the energy of your intention, becoming a physical representation of your goal. Feel the item growing warm with the energy of your desire. Affirm and visualize. Place the charged item on top of the piece of paper where you wrote your intention. As the candle continues to burn, focus on visualizing your goal being realized. Picture yourself experiencing the joy and satisfaction of gratitude and trust that your intention is already on its way to manifesting. Keep the small item with you as a talisman, a constant reminder of the goal you're working toward. Each time you see or touch this item, it will reinforce your intention and help keep you aligned with your desire. This ritual is a powerful way to focus your energy and intention on manifesting your desires. By combining the spiritual significance of the color green with the manifesting power of cinnamon and basil, you create a potent practice that helps bring your goals to fruition. Remember, the key to successful manifestation is not just in performing the ritual, but in maintaining a positive, open, and receptive mindset as you go about your daily life. Trust in the process and watch as your intentions begin to unfold in beautiful and unexpected ways.